This
We can
conference will now
using
be recorded.
root of the electrical wiring system. Root of the electrical wiring system, which is make the root from DB2 up to the electrical device or equipment. We can make the wiring root, wire root. We can put the inside the, we can first installation the GI conduit, PVC conduit, any types of conduit, and then after we can wiring inside the conduit to up to equipment. Up to equipment, okay? So electrical conduit means we can route the wiring system DB2 up to electrical device or equipment. That time we can using in electrical conduit. So these are the electrical conduit. This is PVC conduit, GI conduit, EMT conduit, and flexible conduit. We can using in as per building or site requirement. Which types of conduit is requirement? As per this one, as per your drawing, we can using in conduit. So maximum in golf using in two types of conduit. Maximum 90% using in 20 and 25. 20 mm and 25 mm. Maximum golf using in 20 mm and 25 mm. So conduit are available, PVC type, GI conduit, EMT conduit, and flexible, PVC flexible conduit. So we have the four types of conduit, okay? As per site requirement, we can using in conduit. As per site requirement, we can using in conduit. As per site requirement. So maximum golf using in two types of conduit, 20 and 20 mm and 25 mm. 20 mm and 25 mm. We can using in two types of conduit, 20 mm and 25 mm. Okay, maximum. So next one, definition of conduit. Okay, what is conduit? We can definition of the conduit. So an electrical conduit is the tube, okay, which is made by PVC, GI and steel. So I am already told this is made by PVC, GI and steel. This is used to protect and route the electrical wire with wiring in building and industries project. Okay. Electrical conduit. So an electrical conduit is the tube which is made by PVC, GI and steel. That is made by PVC, GI and steel. This is used to protect and route the electrical wire with wiring in building and industries or project. So we can using in building, industries or any types of project in wiring system. Standard length of electrical conduit is 3 meters. Okay, so always electrical conduit is coming in 3 meters. Standard length is 3 meters. Same like a cable tray. Cable tray standard length also 3 meters. Okay, so cable tray also 3 meter and conduit also length is 3 meter standard length. So conduit is available in 20 mm, 25 mm, 32 mm and 50 mm. But maximum we can using in 20 and 25 mm. Maximum using in 20 and 25 mm. So you can writing in your notebooks, okay? This is the definition of conduit. What materials to made by conduit? Question is coming like that. Okay, what materials to made by conduit? So conduit is made by PVC, GI, and steel. So conduit is made by PVC, GI, and steel. This is made by PVC, GI, and steel. Okay. So conduit we can using in conduit root of the electrical wire with wiring system. Root of electrical wire. Root of electrical cable we can using in cable tray, trunking, and ladder. Cable, big size cable. But in wire we can using in conduit. Flexible type wire, single core wire, like that wire. Okay, so this is the flexible. This types of wire, wiring time we can using in conduit, and put the inside of the conduit in this cable. Okay. This suppose this is the GI conduit. So this inside have the hole. We can using in wire like that, pulling in wire like that. Okay. So we can pulling in like that wire in flexible wire. This is the GI conduit. Okay. And cable root time, cable root, this is cable and this is wire. Cable root time we can using in cable tray, trunking, and ladder. But in wire root time we can using in conduit, flexible wire. This is the flexible type. Okay. So this types of wire root we can using in conduit. And this types of wire is especially coming in lighting wiring, fan wiring, water heater wiring, and AC wiring. All types of wiring is coming maximum flexible single core wire. Okay, so this is also coming in color code: red, yellow, and blue. Red means L1, yellow means L2, phase 2, and blue means L3. Okay, so in flexible type, so in this chapter you can clear two things. Conduit are made by PVC, steel, and GI. Number one. Number two, it is used for root of the flexible wiring time. Root of the flexible wiring in wiring time. Okay. So conduit. And next one is conduit standard length is 3 meters. Always conduit standard length is 3 meters. This is coming in 3 meters. 3 meters. Okay. So in this chapter, three things. Conduit are made by PVC, steel, and GI. Number one. And conduit is using for the wiring root system in wire. Number two. And number three, conduit standard length is 3 meters. You can clear about these three things in this slide. Okay. So next is electrical conduit. Types of electrical conduit. Okay. So we have the types of electrical conduit: PVC type, GI type, EMT type, and flexible type. We have four types of conduit. Four types of conduit. We have the four types of conduit: PVC, GI, EMT, and flexible. Four types of conduit available in project. And flexible inside we can find out two types more: flexible metallic conduit and flexible PVC conduit. Flexible metallic conduit means this Copex, also called the Copex pipe also. Okay, so this inside have the metal type cover is there, and PVC only PVC type, not in inside coming in metal. So this is two types. Flexible metallic means inside the come the iron type, outside covered by PVC. Flexible. Okay, so inside have the metallic type iron. Okay, and flexible PVC conduit means only coming in PVC type, not inside coming in metallic anything, in iron not coming. So this is two types. Flexible is two types: PVC, GI, EMT, and flexible. So PVC we can using in inside the slab. We can using in inside the slab, inside the wall, embedded, not in open. Not in open. We cannot using in PVC open because PVC some material should touch there. This is damage. So we cannot using in open area in PVC type. In golf, we can using inside the slab or inside the wall. Okay. And GI, galvanized iron. This full form is galvanized iron type conduit. This type of conduit we can using in open area, surface, not in inside the slab, not in inside the wall. This is open area. This is not allowed to work in inside the slab. Okay, so this is open area. GI conduit we can using in open area. And EMT, electrical metallic tubing. Full form is electrical metallic tubing. That types of, this is also same like a GI, but this is made by standard steel. EMT is made by standard steel. There is not coming in zong, but GI there is coming zong, iron zong. Okay, so this is the EMT types. Pipe is made by standard steel. There is not coming in any zong. So this is very expensive also. So maximum project we can using in GI conduit. EMT only 5% or 10% project. As per owner requirement, as per project requirement, we can using in EMT pipe. So EMT is expensive pipe. This is standard steel, and this is galvanized iron. GI is galvanized iron. So this is low cost. This is high cost. So some project in government project in golf, some project we can using in this type of pipe, especially in metro project, government metro project, we can using in EMT pipe. Maximum golf using in metro project, that types of project in EMT pipe. And GI normal project and another project also. So GI means galvanized iron type and EMT means electric metallic tubing. This is made by standard steel. Okay, so this is very expensive also, and this is cheap. So maximum in GI, but looking same like that. Looking is same GI, only little bit difference. This is also iron and this is the standard steel, only little bit difference. If you going to near and check, we can find out the difference, but in very far too we cannot find out. Okay, so flexible pipe also using in open area, in zigzag area. So there have the some problem in beam crossing area, not possible to do in GI or PVC conduit. Not possible to do. That time we can using in flexible wire. We can using a flexible pipe. We can using in flexible pipe vibration area, where it's coming in vibration. Example of motors. So motor are in vibration. So if we can using the flexible conduit in vibration area, this conduit will give the gap of motor vibration. But we can using in PVC, GI or EMT, this is strong. This time this is not vibration, so your equipment is damaged. So in vibration area, we can using in flexible pipe. Especially some motors are vibration is coming, motors, B motors. That time we can using in only DB2 direct coming in the long distance in GI pipe or EMT pipe. Then after only short 2 meter around the 1.5 meter balance, that time we can using in flexible pipe to vibration purpose. Okay, so this is also available 20 and 25. All are available in 20, 25. Maximum using in 20 and 25. So in this slide, you can know we have the 4 types of conduit, electrical conduit. 4 types of conduit: PVC, GI, EMT, and flexible. And flexible, you inside have the 2 types also: flexible metallic conduit and flexible PVC conduit. Flexible metallic conduit inside have the metal parts. Inside have the metal parts, outside the insulation of PVC. But in PVC type, no inside have any metal parts, only direct PVC to made. Okay, but this is flexible. So we can take the knowledge of this one. So we have the 4 types of conduit. How many types of conduit? Question is coming like that. Okay, how many types of electrical conduit? We have the 4 types of electrical conduit: PVC, GI, EMT, and flexible. You can write in like that. Okay, so this chapter, this slide is clear. Okay, next one. So all of these are using in different purpose. All are using in different purpose. Okay, so PVC, which types of work and where using, we can explain one by one. Available size, PVC type is available size is 20 mm, 25 mm, 42 mm, and 50 mm. Okay, this is available in 20, 25, 42, and 50 mm. But maximum using 20 and 25. Maximum using. These are the sometime using. If your wire is coming, bundles of wire, punch wire coming in punch, that time we can using in this one. This 32 and 50 maximum using in control system. Control system, punch wire is coming. It's like a cat 6, cat 5 wire, control wire. This is low voltage wire. We can using in 32 and 50 mm size conduit for control section. Cat 6 and cat 5 types controls cables is also available. You can sometime working also controls also. So that time it's for your requirement. We can using in 32 and 50 mm. 32 and 50 mm. Using purpose 20 mm lighting wiring route. 20 mm lighting wiring route. 20 mm for lighting wiring route. Okay, so lightings in light, fan. If you wiring these types of wiring is doing, you can using in 20 mm. Tube light, bulb, fan, anyone. And 25 mm size power socket outlet. Power socket outlet is always coming the FFL to 450 mm center of the box. Okay, so power socket we can using in 25 mm. Hand dryer, if you make the route of wiring in hand dryer, that time we can using in 25 mm conduit. Air conditioning, air condition, AC, window AC and split AC. We have the 2 types of AC. So if you can wiring in this type of conducting wire, you can using in 25 mm conduit. and some BMS and fire alarm system. BMS, building management system. Some wire is coming. That types of wire we can using in 25 mm. And fire alarm system. Fire alarm system. We have the fire alarm system. It's like a smoke detector, heat detector, mineral call point, sounder. These all are the fire alarm devices. So these types of fittings is installation we can using in 25 mm conduit. Okay, so in 20 we can using in lighting route also, right? Lighting route, normal wiring. Okay, it's like a tube light, bulb light, or a fan wiring. That time we can using in lighting purpose. Okay, so power socket, hand dryer, air condition, BMS and fire alarm system, all are using in 25 mm sizes conduit, electrical conduit. Okay, so next topic, PVC pipe using inside the slab, concealed or embedded. Okay, so PVC pipe is always using in inside the slab, not is open. Okay, concealed. We can see we can using in box or pointing. Say like a box for PVC pipe is inside the this two, and this is inside the slab, and we can using in where is common point, same like a box. PVC type. This is GI, but PVC type is concealed inside the slab, and GI is outside. GI is open. Okay, so this means PVC pipe we can using inside the slab, concealed or embedded. Okay, so this means we can use it sometimes open also. If ceiling is coming, if the ceiling is coming in building, that time we can using in open also. Okay, okay, so if the ceiling is coming there, we can using in open also, but no ceiling in your eyes to direct see, that time we cannot using in PVC pipe. This is not allowed in golf. This is should be inside the slab or inside the wall. Should be coming. Okay, should be coming in like that. Okay, next one, using PVC spring bending to pipe bending time. So we can using in PVC bender, PVC pipe bender. We can using inside the pipe is pipe bender to bending time. I will show the diagram of bender also. Just wait. Okay, I will show in next slide. We can using in PVC spring bender to pipe bending time. If we can make the bend in 90°, if 45° offset, that time we can using in spring bender, PVC spring bender as per your conduit size 20 and 25. Okay, and next one, PVC pipe joint time, use PVC coupler and solvent glue. One pipe standard length is 3 meter. I am already told this is 3 meter. So one pipe to another pipe joint purpose we can using in coupler, joining coupler with PVC glue, solvent glue. Okay, we can using in PVC glue, solvent glue. We can using in PVC solvent glue. PVC pipe joint time we can using in PVC coupler and solvent glue also. We can using in glue. Okay, so I will show the pictures of you. Okay, so this is PVC pipe. This is the PVC pipe. Maximum Gauss fusing in white color PVC pipe. White color PVC pipe. Maximum using in white color. This is the PVC pipe. This one is PVC coupler. This is PVC adapter. You can writing in your notebooks. Okay. PVC pipe, PVC coupler, PVC adapter, solvent glue, joint purpose, and bender, spring bender, PVC pipe. We can put inside the PVC pipe this spring and bend. This means as per your which types of bend you require, as per this is coming. So this is available as per conduit size 20 and 25. If you bend the 25 mm conduit, you can using in 25 mm bender. If using 20 mm conduit, you can using in 20 mm. Same size, not in change the size. Okay. So PVC pipe bending time we can using in spring bender. Spring bender. So many interview asking these questions. Okay. So PVC time bending, which types of bender is used? That time you can tell the spring bender. This is the spring bender. Okay. And adapter we can using for adapter. Coupler joint purpose. Two pipe joint purpose. One pipe ending another pipe joint time we can using in coupler and solvent glue to make the strong tight. If you put the glue, this is not open again. So you can check correct location straight and then after put the glue. This is the glue and this is coupler. Adapter, if you drop the pipe in box, suppose this is your box have the hole, okay? So we can using in adapter like that, okay? Coupler and adapter is here. Suppose this is your pipe, your box, switches box is coming always wall. So that time we can using in adapter and use like that. Okay. So adapter, we can need to adapter. And there is a thread system. This is thread system. So we can using in after male bush and tight purpose. Coupler, we can using in only two pipe joining purpose. Okay, so PVC pipe we can using in inside the slab, inside the wall, concealed, not in open. You can clear about this one. In golf, this is not allowed to installation in condition. We cannot using in open condition. Open condition we can using in GI conduit or EMT conduit. GI conduit or EMT conduit. Okay. So I hope all of you are clear. Take the name of this is the coupler, PVC coupler, PVC adapter, spring bender, PVC pipe spring bender. You can writing in your notebook say, so this name here is not writing the name, and this is the PVC pipe. Next one, GI conduit. One by one I will explain. So PVC is complete and GI galvanized iron, this is okay. So this is available size is also same as for PVC size. Same size is coming 20, 25, 32 and 50 mm same. And using purpose also same 20 mm lighting wiring hood. 20 mm we can using in lighting wiring hood. Same like a PVC, but one, not inside the slab. 25 mm. We can using in power socket outlet, end dryer, air conditioning and BMS and fire alarm system, same like that, but this is open condition, not in concealed condition, not in concealed, okay. And GI pipe using in open surface or exposed, this is using in open surface or exposed, not in embedded inside the slab, okay. Always open, we can using in always open, we can inside the slab. What is the difference between PVC and GI conduit? This is also coming. So the PVC pipe we can using in inside the slab, and GI pipe we can using in surface, open or exposed. PVC pipe bending time we can using in spring bender, and joint purpose we can using in glue or PVC coupler. But in GI we can using in thread type coupler, thread type coupler, okay. GI pipe, GI pipe, GI pipe bender with thread die machine and using the bend the GI pipe. GI pipe bending with thread die machine with in used to bend the GI pipe, okay. So we can use bending time GI pipe bender with thread die. Thread die we can make the threading. We can make the threading of GI pipe. We can make the thread in GI pipe, okay. Make the threading. This is coming the thread like that. This is the thread. Thread and threading coupler. We can using in threading coupler in GI pipe inside. This is and joint two pipe purpose. Another pipe is coming here, okay. But in PVC we can using in solid type coupler with glue. This inside have the thread. You can see here, and this is the thread. Threading type coupler and threading. This is threading conduit. We can using in thread. So in bending time we can using in with threading machine. Make the thread for threading machine to make the thread. We have the thread machine also, okay. So this is the thread machine. We can make the thread in GI pipe through this threading machine by hand. Only 20-25 now. So this is very easy to make the thread. Thread die is this one, same coming. We can using in this one. And bender. For bending and threading time we can using in thread die machine, okay. So this is available as per your conduit size, 20 and 25. 20 and 25. Maximum using 20 and 25 types pipe. Okay. So in this slide, you can take the knowledge of GI conduit is available 20, 25, 32 and 50 mm. 20 for lighting purpose. 20 mm conduit we can using for lighting purpose. 25 we can using in power socket outlet, hand dryer, AC, BMS or fire alarm system. GI conduit always coming surface, open or exposed. GI pipe bending time we can using in GI pipe bender. And GI2 pipe joining time we can using in threading type coupler. in this slide. You can take the knowledge only that ones. Okay. Thread type coupler. This is the thread type GI coupler. We can using in this one for GI. So GI is always coming in open or exposed. You can clear about this one. You can writing in your notebooks. This is also important topics for you. In the conduit, cable tray, glanding, DV dressing, termination, these are the very important in electrical sections. These are the very important topics in your electrical section. Okay, so conduit is also most important. Anywhere, if you go into electrician, you can should be do the conduit work in electrical. First you installation the conduit, then after start the wiring. Okay. So next one. Thread die machine. Just before I will explain to you. Okay, this is the thread die machine. We can available as per sizes. This is thread die machine. Okay, so if the 20 mm pipe, you can using in 20 mm thread die. If 25, you can using in 25 mm thread die. Okay, so pipe, this is the GI pipe bending machine. GI pipe bending machine. This one is GI pipe bending machine. Okay, and GI threading coupler. Same, I will show you. This is GI threading coupler. We can using in this one for two pipe joining purpose. One pipe length is 3 meter. Because if you installation the pipe around the 50, 60 meters or 70 meters, as per point location. DB to start to conduiting, and where is your point location, device location, up to there you can make the conduiting. So we should be joined in one conduit to another conduit. That time we can using in GI threading coupler for GI pipe. Okay, and next one is this is the male bush. I am already tell the male bush. So male bush we can using in drop the switchboard. Drop the switchboard in. This is your switchboard. Okay, so your conduit route is coming from slab. You can make the 90 and take the pipe up to the switch. That time we can using in coupler here, offside coupler, and GI pipe is coming. This is threading system. So already threading is okay. Now we can using in male bush inside the pipe and tight this male bush. This is the male bush, 25 mm male bush for 25 conduit, 20 mm male bush for 20 mm conduit. So in dropping system, okay, in switch dropping system, offside is coming coupler. This is coupler. This is box, switch box. So downside we can using in male bush. So this is tightening purpose. If we can tightening is like that. Pipe is not moving. Pipe is not moving. Okay, this is not moving. So this is the threading type male bush, and this is threading type coupler, and this is reducer male bush. This inside have also thread, outside also thread. So if your outside route is 25 mm and you can installation the pipe is 20 mm, that time we can using in inside also. This is reducer coupler male bush, and this is normal male bush. Okay, so we have the two types of male bush also. So male bush where we can using in joint of pipe to switch box, GI box. If you make the joint in GI box, 3 by 3 or 3 by 6 GI box in pipe or conduit GI pipe, That time we can using in Melbush and threading coupler. Melbush we can using in that times. Okay. So you can clear in this one image. GI pipe bending time. GI pipe bending time. This is the GI pipe, and this bending time we can using in GI bender. And threading, we can make the thread this one, because sometimes your pipe is no need to 3 meter length, only 2 meter. That time you can measurement in 2 meter and cutting with the axo frame and make the thread with thread die machine, same like thread. We need to thread for coupler joining the pipe. Okay. So installation the coupler, that time we can need the this one also. So if no thread, this coupler is not possible to join. So we need to make the thread. Suppose this is no thread area. This is not going inside. You can see this is not possible to going inside. We should be need the threading in this pipe. Sometimes you need to only 2 meters. Standard pipe length is 3 meter. If 3 meter required, both sides have the thread. But only 2 meter, you can cut the pipe with axo frame and make the threading with thread die machine and put the thread type coupler and joint. This is very easy. Okay. So we can need the threading die for GI pipe threading time. Thread time. Okay. And next one is Melbush. We can using in switch box and pipe joint purpose. We can using coupler with this type of Melbush. And this is the GI pipe thread coupler, threading coupler. Okay, thread types coupler. This inside have the thread. Okay. So I hope clear about this one. So this machine using purpose for bend the GI conduit. This machine is, and this one using purpose is threading purpose. We can thread in conduit. That time we can using in this is also available as per your conduit size, 20 or 25. Maximum using in 20 and 25 mm types conduit. Okay. Melbush switch box joint purpose, switch box and pipe joining purpose we can using in Melbush. Okay. Next one, EMT conduit. Now we are completed PVC conduit, GI conduit, and next one is EMT conduit. EMT full form is electrical metallic tubing. This is made by standard steel. In this pipe, iron jung is not coming. This is standard steel. So this is also expensive. We can using in government, maximum government project in Gulf using in EMT type conduit. In normal project using in GI conduit, galvanized iron. This is GI, galvanized iron types. Okay. So EMT we can using in standard. This made by this tubing, this conduit is made by standard steel. Okay. And this is expensive also. This type of conduit is made by standard steel. First you can take the knowledge of this one. Okay. It is same like a GI, but this kind of conduit does not have the thread system. So we no need to threading in this one. We can join time. We cannot need to thread. Same like a threading coupler. No need this one. We can using in screw type coupler. I will show you picture this one. No problem. Okay. So we can using in screw type coupler in joining purpose. Joining time beam we can using in screw type coupler. Okay. Screw type coupler is using in joining time. This EMT pipe. Bending time we use the same GI bender. So if you make the bend in 90 degree, 45 degree offset, that bending time we can using in GI pipe bender, same types of bender, but thread is no need. This joint purpose we can using in screw type coupler, okay? And available is 20 and 25. This is available 20 and 25. Okay. So next one, same bending time we can using in bender. This is the EMT pipe. You can see there have no thread, no need to thread. GI pipe already have the thread. I will show you. This is the thread. So we can using in thread in GI pipe, but EMT no have the thread. You can see there no any thread is there. There have no any thread. Okay. So joint time we can using in screw type coupler. We can put inside the coupler in two pipes and tied by screw. There have the screw. You see, this all coupler have the screw. This is using for EMT conduit. This is used by EMT conduit. Okay. So bending time, same bender we can using. Which types of bend is you need in your work area? 90-degree bend, 45-degree bend, offset bend. Okay, so we can using in same types of bending machine. Thread die machine is no need. This is no need because EMT is not coming in thread. This is the difference. EMT made by the standard steel. There is not coming any jung. We can using in open area also. If the water, anything is coming there outside to not issue in this one because there is not coming the jung. So these types of pipe same like our staircase we can using standard steel pipe for railing support. Same materials to made by EMT pipe also. Same materials. There is not coming in jung. Okay. This is made by standard steel. Made by standard steel. Clear? PVC pipe, GI pipe, or EMT pipe or EMT conduit. Difference between these three things. Okay. Next one. Next one is flexible conduit. So we have the four types of conduit is available. PVC, GI, EMT and flexible. So last one is flexible. Flexible conduit, two types, metallic flexible and PVC flexible. So metallic flexible we can using in motor vibration area. So motor are coming in vibration. That types of vibration motor conduiting time we cannot using in GI conduit or PVC conduit because GI conduit and PVC conduit are not in flexible. This is the solid type, strong. So if the motor is vibration, this pipe is not give the place of vibration. And that means your equipment, your motor is damaged, not good working. So in motor vibration area, maximum we can using in flexible metallic pipe. This is also called Copex pipe also. Copex pipe. This name, another name is Copex pipe also. So this means starting your DB to motor wiring and coming up to motor. If you make the surface conducting, that time you can using in GI conduit or EMT conduit as per your drawing requirement, as per your owner requirement. But in last step, when your conduit is installing up to the motor and there is balance in 2 meters or 3 meters, motor to your conduit distance is 2 meter and 3 meter balance. That time you can using in flexible type PVC, not in all making in flexible. Starting time you can using GI or EMT, anyone. But in vibration area, near the motor vibration area, around the 1 meter or 2 meter, 3 meter, up to 3 meter is allowed. These two more not allowed using in flexible conduit. Okay. So in motor vibration area, you can using in small pieces of flexible pipe joined with GI pipe or EMT pipe, which route is coming from starting from the DB. So DB starting point to not using in flexible. Only vibration area around the 1 meter, 2 meter or 3 meters. Maximum 3 meter is allowed this one. So DB to motor, sometimes your distance is 50 meter, 100 meter, 25 meter, like that. In electrical power supply, DB to up to the motors distance is like that. So that time in around, suppose example, if DB to motor distance, conducting distance is, length is 25 meter. You can starting in conduit in GI conduiting from DB to 22 or 23 meter GI conduit or EMT conduit. Then after you can fix the small piece of flexible pipe, metallic pipe, because motor is running time vibration, coming in vibration down and up, motor is like that. So this small piece we can join the flexible conduit. So these types of conduit is using for small area purpose. Suppose some area had difficult to work in GI conduit, because you can make the one bend down, again up, again straight, again down. Some places coming like that. So many bend is coming. So GI conduit and EMT conduit, we cannot make same design. So that area also we can using in flexible pipe, small piece like a 1 meter. We can using in this one and cross the this difficult place. After straight place, we can using in GI conduit or EMT conduit. GI conduit or EMT conduit. Okay. So these types of conduit is using surface work where it is not possible to do GI or EMT conduit. In first point, not possible to work in GI. Difficult places is coming. Sometimes down, again up, again straight, again down. In a small area, that time we can using in 1 meter and 1.5 meter PVC conduit. No, sorry, flexible conduit. It is also used in vibration type motor area. Vibration motor is always coming in vibration. Industries have big sizes motor. It's like a 10, 11 kilowatt, 10 horsepower. These types of big size of this coming some vibration. So we need to flexible conduit. Okay, and flexible pipe connect time using Copex gland. That time we can using in Copex gland. It is also used in 20 mm and 25 mm as per your pipe root system. If 20, you can using in 20 mm. If your root is 25 mm GI conduit, you can using in 25 mm flexible pipe also. Same size, not change in size. Okay. So this is the flexible conduit. Metallic flexible conduit, only PVC flexible conduit. We can using in metallic. PVC not using. Metallic means inside have the steel coming. In steel we see conduit flexible. Very small thin steel is coming inside this one. So joint purpose we can using in Copex gland. This is the Copex gland. Okay, this is Copex gland. So Copex gland joint time. If you joining in motor inside, termination time and GI conduit to flexible conduit. That time you can using in Copex gland. This is the Copex gland, and this is flexible metallic conduit. So in flexible metallic conduit, we can using in two purpose. Some difficult area we cannot possible to work in GI conduit or EMT conduit. That time we can using in small length is like a 1 meter, 1.5 meter, no more. This is allowed to do. And next one is vibration motor, near of the vibration motor. You can connect in pipe in vibration motor. That time you not connect in direct GI pipe or EMT pipe. Around the 2 meter or 3 meter or 1.5 meter, you should be join the flexible conduit. And easy to your motor is vibration. Okay. So clear about this one. So we have clear about the PVC pipe, GI pipe, EMT pipe, and flexible pipe. 4 types of pipe. Using purpose, sizes of pipe, all are clear in just now class. Okay. So any questions about the conduit? You have any question? Just okay. So next class we will be again rejoining in same topics. Okay. Wish you all the best. Next class we will see.